Hello, smart kids! Get your notebooks and pens ready, and sit down in front of the screen. Today, we will learn the letters P, Q, R with you. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello! Let's drag the letters. P. Panda. Panda. P. P. Good job. P. Panda. Panda. P. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. P. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Great! P is for panda. Let's write the letters. P. P. Nice. Smart. P. 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 Let's drag the letters. Q. Queen. Queen. Q. Q. Great. Q. Queen. Queen. Q. Quilt. Quilt. Q. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Smart. Q is for queen. Let's write the letters. Q. Q. Smart. Nice. Q. 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 Let's drag the letters. R. Rabbit. Rabbit. R. R. Smart. R. Rabbit. Rabbit. R. Rocket. Rocket. R. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Smart. R is for rabbit. Let's write done. R, 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 R. Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. P, P, R, 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 Q, Q, Q. Well done. Which letter do you hear? P, P. Great! P, P. Good job. R, R. Nice. Q, Q. Well done. Choose the correct uppercase letter. R. Smart. Q. Good job. P. Nice. J. Nice. Well done. Find the similar letters. Q. Great. P. Great. R. Great. Well done. Which letter do you hear? Q, Q. Great. Q, Q. Good job. R, R. Nice. P, P. Well done. Drag letters and build the word. P, A, N, D, A. Panda. Well done. Find the missing letter. Panda. P. Panda. Queen. Q. Queen. Rabbit. R. Rabbit. Cat. C. Cat. Well done.
Smart kids! If you liked the video lesson, click like and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video lessons. You are very smart kids.